She's a new, she's slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I want my cake and eat it too, but a little grace would be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I need my cake and eat it too, but a little time will be enough for me to prove that baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want no problems, but I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, being human. Can you weather the storm? I'm starting to believe you can, cause baby you the remedy. You're my mirror, I could finally see, bringing out the best in me. Yeah, I don't want these problems, I know I got a lot of work to do. Baby, I'm not perfect, but I know don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finna style this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to. Okay, y'all, so this unit was sent to me by Nadula Hair. Shout out to you, Nadula, for sending me this unit. I truly do appreciate it. So the unit that I am rocking is, if I'm not mistaken, they said they were going to send me this wig in 20 inches. Let me just go on here and check my email to be sure, honey. Okay, so yeah, they asked me to try this wig in 20 inches. So I'm guessing that if it's 20 inches, that is definitely 20 inches curled up. I mean, straightened out, not 20 inches curled up. That's just my opinion. In my opinion, it looks to be more about 18 inches while it's curled up. Okay, so on their site, it says Nadula Highlight Brown Curly Lace Front Wig, Honey Blonde Highlight Wig, Ombre Wig, Human Hair, 150% density, TL412 color. So on the product description, it says product name is Nadula Highlight Brown Curly Lace Front Wig, Honey Blonde Highlight Wig, Ombre Wig, Human Hair, all of the stuff that I just said basically. It says length 14 to 18 inches. Now they did say they sent me 20 inches, so that's a little confusing, but I'll go and check again just to be sure. It says average cap size Swiss brown lace, and I hope I remember to say something about it being Swiss brown lace later on. It says 13 by 4 lace size. The density is 150 and it's 100% human hair. So I want to go, okay, so when buying the wig, so when you go to the purchasing part of this unit, it says 150% density. That's the only density that's available, so it is 150% density. You cannot get 180 or any other density with this unit. It says lace size 13 by 4. That's the only lace size that you can buy. And the inches that are available is 14 to 24 inches. And as I stated, they said that they sent me 20 inches. So I want to throw that out there. Now, I also want to talk about the brown lace. So they sent me brown lace, and honestly, y'all, at this point, like, I'm really struggling with brown lace. Like, brown lace, there's just really no way for me to make it blend in because it's so much darker than my skin tone. And yeah, I just definitely prefer more of a transparent lace or HD lace or something like that, because the brown lace is just a little too dark. And it's crazy because I'm honestly not very, very light, but it's a little too dark for me. So I just want to throw that out there for those of you that are my shade or lighter, that the lace may be an issue for you. But if you're a little darker than me and you know, darker than that, then you shouldn't have any issues. The lace should blend in perfectly. So I just wanted to throw that out there with this unit. Now, it doesn't say pre-tweezed. It did appear to be pre-tweezed, but it was one of those wigs where I had this issue that I've been having lately, okay? Let me see, can I explain this? Because I had the same issue with another wig, and I don't feel like I know how to explain it. But the lace, the hairline comes like here, and the sides are back. Does that make sense? Like, with my particular hairline, this part is back and my sides are out, if that makes sense. So my sides come more forward than the lace. So I end up having to cut off like that part, because it's just, if I didn't, it would be all the way down here, child. Now you guys know I believe in the Black China effect, okay? What I call the Black China effect is minimizing your big forehead. That's what I feel like Black China does with her lace wigs. Minimizes her forehead, and I love that technique, because I do have, my forehead is extremely large, honey. Like, oh girl is out there, okay? So I do use the Black China effect, but the thing is, honey, I'm not trying to have my wig all the way down here. And with this particular hairline, that's how it comes. So because I had to cut off so much, even though I used my razor initially, I ended up cutting it with scissors, so it looks very blunt. The hairline looks very, very blunt. And that, I feel like, it's not team the company's bad, it's team my bad, because I should have still used my razor, but I was scared I was gonna cut off too much, because I don't exactly have I'm not able to use it the way I am scissors when I'm dealing with a razor. A razor, you just kind of like, you know, zigzagging along, but I didn't want to cut off too much. So yeah, therein lied my issue with this wig. So I know it looks very, very blunts and dents and all of that good stuff, but I feel like that is my issue, that like that was team my bad, because when the hairline looks like that, is not matching my hairline whatsoever, so it always causes an issue for me. So I just want to throw that out there. Now, as far as shedding and tangling with this wig, I literally received none. Despite the color, despite the curls, I did not receive any shed or tangling with this wig, so that is always a plus. So shout out to you, Nadula, for that. And I feel like, yeah, that's basically it. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, I definitely feel like this wig is small to medium head friendly, not big head friendly whatsoever, in my opinion. I feel like this wig definitely is on the more so on the small head side friendly versus the medium side. Like, that's just being honest. I kind of struggle with this wig, and I do have an average cap size. And even though I have a fro under here, my fro is like laying down, honey, okay? I hadn't too long ago washed my hair, and I was able to slick old girl down to do my ball cap method and all of that good stuff. So I do feel like this wig is more so on the small head friendly side than not. So for all my small head girls, honey, this is your bae, okay? This wig is for you, honey. She's your bae. So keep that in mind as well. And yeah, that is pretty much it. Now, if you're interested in how I feel about this unit and all of that good stuff, then please continue. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna keep it a whole buck with you. Honestly, honey, I've been struggling with this unit. I have struggled so much with this wig that I almost just stopped filming. I almost stopped filming and was like, forget it. Luckily, I have the type of husband that's like, you got this, okay? I was texting him, he's at work, and I was like, oh my God, baby, it's Monday. Because like today is Monday, and he always said at his job, Monday is like, at every job, Monday is And usually with my job, because I do love my job, I do love filming and doing hair and just talking to you guys, usually my Mondays are still good. But today, I was having Monday blues with this unit. And he was like, you got this. Just do you, and you got this. Finish it up. You got this. So I was like, okay, woosah, give it another shot. And honestly, after everything was said and done, I do love this unit. The color is spectacular. Yes, the hairline looks very, very blunt, and it looks, you know, it's giving helmet vibes. But like I said, as a team, my bad. That is something I'm gonna have to go back in and tweeze and work on at a later date. But the unit in itself, I feel like is absolutely gorgeous, okay? Despite the issues old girl gave me, I still love this wig. I think the color is phenomenal. I love everything about this color. It is everything to me. And like I said, the issues that I had with this wig were more so team my bad than the wig's bag, other than the fact that it wasn't as big head friendly as I hoped, okay? Like, I like for a unit to be more big head friendly than small head friendly, because I feel like my head leans more so towards big head friendly than not. So I do like when that's the case, but I do know that I have a lot of people that walk me that have really, really small heads. So it's great to even have a wig that I can say to y'all that are on the small head spectrum that, oh girl, it's for you, boo, okay? So yeah, you know, I have to find a silver lining in everything. And with this wig, that is my silver lining. That is a gorgeous wig, it's a gorgeous color. Even though, oh girl, don't fit me, she's gonna fit somebody, okay? She's gonna fit somebody. So that is always a plus. And yeah, I love the unit, like I really do. Those were my only cons, but they were personal cons, okay? So they weren't cons that's gonna be for everybody. They're just cons for me because of my own, how my hairline is made, how the size of my head, you know what I mean? So yeah, but I'm feeling the wig overall. Let me know what you guys think about it. Do you love this color? Do you think this color is amazing like I do? I think this color does a lot for my skin tone. A lot of you guys always say, oh my God, that looks good on your skin tone. That looks good on your skin tone. But I feel like this is my go-to color. I love a good honey blonde. Like, that is just like me. Okay, that's me all day. So I love this unit. Let me know down below what you guys think about it. I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and I guess a lint check, even though it's not very long. But yeah, I'm gonna do that and then we can wrap this thing all the way. Okay, y'all, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. So yeah, y'all, let me know down below what you guys think about this unit. Let me know if you're feeling it. Are you not feeling it? let me know down below in the comments. Once again, shout out to you, Nadula, for sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Tell me questions that you feel like I may have left out. Feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not gonna cost you not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Healthy Missy on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next.